This is going to be a quick video of running diagnostics on SeedStar XP planner using a 1800 display or ComCenter. The only difference between the ComCenter and the 1800 display is that the ComCenter's buttons are located here on the armrest. Most of your new ComCenters are going to have touch screens in them, but the software inside each one of them is going to be the same. If you don't have XP set up on your home page, you can access it by going into your menu, then go into our planner tab. From there, we're going to go to our diagnostics page, which is the J tab down here with the wrench laying on top of the book. In there, we'll have a quick rundown of a few things, such as software and hardware on the planner. It'll give us the part number, as well as the version number that we're currently using, as well as the hour meter, how many hours have been used on this planner. In the first drop-down box, we can also take a look at our sensor statuses. So our tractor speed sensor, also our vacuum sensor. We can take a look at that with the voltages out beside there. Then we can look at system voltages, look at our controller, seed sensor, vacuum, fertilizer, and height sensor, and see that we're ensured that we're getting the correct voltage to them. Also, downforce sensors, you can take a quick look and see if the compressor's on or off, if the PDF pressures, how much pounds of pressure is there, as well as each downforce sensor individually. We also look at ride quality. It gives us on a percent scale of 100% being the best, and gives us how each one of those sensors is performing. Our next tab at the top would be test, which you can run some quick diagnostic tests on your planner from in the cab. And what we can do here is it'll show here, we're looking at our seed tube sensors, and it shows that 1 through 24 is in correct operation. If they were offline for some reason, it would show which one's bad. We could also do a seed drop test where I can individually select a row if I'd like to go to row 10 and monitor it, and then do a seed drop test through the seed tube sensors to see how many seeds that are dropping. I can reset all rows, so I can count how many seeds I've dropped out of a seed unit, and then come up here and see how my sensors have read that. When you're using small seeds, when you run into issues with the sensors being able to calculate due to them going either side of the sensor, but they do make seed tube inserts that allow to push the seed right directly in front of the sensor. Another test we can do is a time seed drop test, and basically you start a time and then run the machine and see how many it counts. Then you can do a diagnostic code. Some DTAC cases require a diagnostic code to be put in to bypass some kind of software issues that may be encountered, and you can go here and access that as well. So that's a quick rundown on the reading and test the diagnostics page of SeedStar XP using a ComCenter or 1800 display.